there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not.
What is good, T gang? It is your girl T. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, then smash the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a video, baby. Guys, as you can see, it is early in the morning. You already know by the title, it is a morning routine. It is early in the morning. I don't have energy this morning. I usually have energy in the morning, but not this morning. So that is why my energy level is a bit down. So you're probably wondering what is up with the glasses. I do wear glasses. I just don't like shooting with them, but today my sight is really bad and I have a headache. So the first thing I did when I woke up was just put on my glasses. It is usually the first thing I do every morning anyway. Yeah, most of the mornings. So let's get down into the morning routine, guys. So first things first, I love a well ventilated place. So the first thing I do when I wake up, the very first thing I do is I just open my curtains, my blinds, and then I just open the window just for fresh air. I want fresh air in my room when I wake up, so I make sure it is the first thing I do every morning before I even do anything in the morning.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait.
So I just ventilated my room where I sleep. So I also go to the bathroom and I also just open the window. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the ventilation, I just brush my teeth before I actually clean my room. I then take my mouthwash. Okay guys, now that I'm done brushing my teeth, I feel fresh, my room is ventilated, and now I can make my bed. Okay, let's make my bed, guys. the next thing I do is I exercise before I take a shower. After taking a shower, then I eat. So it's time for the exercises. Guys, and I am done with my workout. I am tired as hell. Oh. So the exercise is something I implemented 4 days ago. This is day 5. I never thought I would actually reach day 5. So this is day 5 and it is going well so far. So the exercises mainly are for cardio and maintaining my body, you know, keeping in shape, you know, especially the bum. So it's for a month, so we'll see how it goes, because today is day 5. So yeah, I am done with my exercises, so now I can go and take a shower. After the shower, I will just make something to eat quickly. And like I said, today is Heritage Day, so after that there's an event that I'm going to, and then I'll see you guys. Guys, I now have my shower cap on. It's time to take a shower. Wait, why do I even have my shower cap on? Because I have short hair and I have to wash it. I have short hair and I have to wash it, guys. This is so useless, pointless. Okay guys, so here's my stuff for taking a shower. Face cloth for my face. For my body, this is a scrub for my body. A brush for my nails, a nail brush. This is my body soap that I don't use much these days. Sunlight. Why do I have sunlight here? Gentle Magic soap for my face. This is soap for my intimate area. Ladies, comment down below which product or soap you use for your intimate area. Face mask, Gentle Magic, Avon. I got this face mask from Avon, but I haven't been using it. And then body wash by Mini Hlamini body wash. It's rose quartz. Guys, I just feel like this is a shower routine because now I'm showing you all the products I'm using. Anyway, first things first, what I do is I use my Gentle Magic face mask, leave it on for 30 seconds, and then yeah, I'll take a shower. As I'm applying my Gentle Magic face mask, I'm just going to turn on the shower. Guys, so I wasn't recording while I was putting on my face mask. I completely forgot. I'm almost done. I thought I pressed record, but it wasn't recording. So if you want to see my skincare routine, go to my channel and check out my Gentle Magic skincare routine. I'm going to put the video in the description and I will leave a picture for you here. taking a shower and I feel fresh. I cleaned, I ventilated, I exercised, I took a shower. Now I can eat my breakfast in peace, darling. In peace. Guys, so there's load shedding. The electricity just switched off before I could make my full breakfast. I only had toast and boiled water for tea. Then there was load shedding. I am so irritated right now because I really wanted eggs and some sausages for breakfast, but unfortunately I'm just gonna have toast because of load shedding. So that was it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Morning routine. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Here's my toast and a fruit. Oh, that toast looks so nice.